Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to solve this S80 math problem that many students got it wrong. But what is the question and where should we start the solution? The question says, find the value of x if x minus 9 squared is 81. Look at the question. It looks easy, right? But why I said many students got it wrong? So at first we are going to start by looking at the mistake most people make so you can learn it and avoid it. But what is their solution? Usually to solve this type of question, students start by taking a square root on both sides. So let's do it. A square root of left side is going to be a square root of x minus 9 to the power of 2, and a square root of right side is going to be a square root of 81. Until here, this is correct. But what is the next step? As the next step, we can cancel off this exponent and this root. So it's gonna be x minus 9, and as you know, a square root of 81 is, right, 9. Now, how can we find the value of x? To find the value of x, it is enough we transpose negative 9 to the other side and change the sign. So it's gonna be x is 9 plus 9 or 18. And to check the answer, it is enough we put 18 in the equation above. So it's gonna be 18 minus 9 to the power of 2 equals 81. 18 minus 9 is 9. So 9 to the power of 2 equals 81. What is 9 to the power of 2? Right, 81 equals 81. But this is correct. 81 is 81. But why I said many students got it wrong, and where is the mistake here? So let me show you my solution and show you how can we solve this type of question and where is the mistake in this question. To solve this type of question, we can get help from a math rule that says, let me write it here, if a to the power of 2 is n, then a is positive and negative, right? Both positive and negative, a square root of n. Now you can guess what is the mistake here, right? So we cannot use this solution. A to the power of 2 is n, a is positive, negative, a square root of n. So when x minus 9 to the power of 2 equals 81, we can use this rule and write x minus 9. Let me rewrite it. It says x minus 9 to the power of 2 equals 81. So look, this one, a to the power of 2 and 81. So I can write x minus 9 is positive, negative, both positive, negative, a square root of 81. Right, this is the correct solution. So what is a square root of 81? Right, 9. So it's gonna be positive, negative 9. Now we have two answers. The first one, x minus 9 equals positive 9. So what is the value of x? X is going to be 9 plus 9 or 18. So this 18 is just one answer. But what is the next answer? As the next answer, we can write x minus 9 is negative 9. Do not forget this negative 9. If you want to find the correct answer. X minus 9 is negative 9. But what is the value of x? Transpose this negative 9 to the other side and change the sign. So it's gonna be x equals negative 9. Negative 9, change the sign, positive 9 or 0. So x equals 18 and x equals 0 are two answers. First one, x equals 18. Second one, x equals 0. These are our answer. Do not forget, if you use different way to solve this question, let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.